Welcome to another episode of Health Basket. Immunization can be described as one of the most important health inventions in the 20th century. Basically, it involves giving vaccines to individuals to protect them against diseases. Now, these vaccines protect against infections mainly, but also vaccines are used to prevent cancers and secondarily to prevent physical and mental handicap by preventing diseases which cause them. Now, the vaccines are given free to individuals in health centers across the country, and they can be considered the compulsory vaccines. Now, the number of vaccines in the vaccine basket has increased over the years as and more diseases are covered by vaccines. Vaccines have helped eliminate or eradicate diseases over the years. For example, smallpox was eradicated from the world about 50 years ago solely by smallpox vaccination. More recently, poliomyelitis has been eliminated from most of the world, including India, about 8 years ago. The vaccines can be given from birth through childhood, and there are vaccines for adolescents and adults as well. Vaccines are usually given by injection, but there are a few oral vaccines, for example, against poliomyelitis and rotavirus. Most vaccines in childhood and infancy need to be repeated for complete protection and for prolongation of immunity against diseases by boosters after a period of time. There are other vaccines which can give good effect with just a single dose. Some other aspects of vaccination, immunization that people need to know are the kind of diseases that it seeks to prevent and the nature of the vaccine and how effective it is and how safe it is. Most people are worried about the safety of vaccines. Therefore, a vaccine which has been tested and found to be safe will be accepted by the governments across the world to be included in the vaccination program. What about the side effects of vaccines? The most common side effect is local pain or swelling and fever. And for some vaccines, that is maybe more common, like in DPT, to the order of 50% patients. More serious side effects like convulsions or severe allergic reactions are very rare. So I think the public needs to be assured the risk versus benefit for vaccination is in favor of benefit with minimum risk.
Health tips for healthy life. For more such health tips from our senior doctors, subscribe to Health Basket YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified. Stay connected to us through our social platform. Protect yourself from the COVID-19 pandemic by building your immune system. Let us join hands to make the world healthy.